Forecaster Jim Sullivan here with your Sunday video forecast, taking a look across the region this morning. A lot of clouds, very few peaks of sunshine out there across northern Ohio or much of the lower Great Lakes. There could be a sprinkle east of Cleveland, but that's about it. The big story will be the cooler temperatures and at times some breezy conditions today. Taking a look across the entire country now, there's not a whole lot going on. There's a storm system that is over western Quebec, and that's bringing us our northwest flow with a lot of clouds. There is some lake effect snow going on over northern Michigan. Elsewhere, there's a whole lot of rain over New England, and it's a cold one. You can see some echoes showing up over Montana and some very cold air just north of the Canadian border there. That is with a cold front that is going to be coming our way. We will be dealing with that in about a day to a day and a half. In the meantime, in Cleveland on Saturday, we did 59 and 32, which was a little bit above average, especially on the high end of things. Today will be probably a little bit below the averages of 53 and 39. No precip yesterday at Hopkins. We're right around normal for the month on precip and above normal on the year. Sunset 5:12 this evening. And as you look at your forecast for today, you see we will be cooler than yesterday. I think most areas will remain dry, but I can't rule out a few more sprinkles east of town into the early afternoon. Mid to upper 40s for highs. Tonight, right around 30 for lows. Winds will be gusty for much of the day, at times over 30 miles an hour. So looking at the temperature projections over the next day, day and a half here, you can see that charge of cold air from the north. Here we are tonight, temperatures in the teens and 20s to our north over the upper Great Lakes and upper Midwest. As we head through the day tomorrow, the cold air still makes progress, and here we are 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. That cold air is right on our doorstep. So as this cold front makes its charge south tomorrow afternoon and evening, there is going to be some colder air coming in quickly with it and precipitation ongoing. I want you to watch this orange line. That's the 40-degree line, and this line, the freezing line, as I roll this forward. Here we are, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Temperatures falling into the 30s, light to moderate rain ongoing, and as I move this forward a little more, you can see the cold air catching up to the back edge of the precipitation, which means we could all see a rain to snow changeover tomorrow evening with perhaps a light accumulation before lake effect takes over into Wednesday. So here all that is on your 7-day forecast tomorrow. Upper 40s for highs. Rain moves in late. Rain quickly changing to snow tomorrow evening. Everyone could see a light accumulation, maybe an inch, maybe a little more. And I said the lake effect takes over into Wednesday. I'm sorry. The lake effect develops late Monday night into Tuesday and slowly fades on Wednesday. Look at Tuesday's high, 33. And I want to take a quick look deeper into the lake effect right now. So looking ahead to this lake effect event late Monday night through Tuesday night, it's going to be very cold. It's going to be very unstable over the relatively warmer waters of the Great Lakes, and there's going to be low wind shear, which means the winds don't change too much in direction or with speed as you go up, and we could see some help from Lake Huron. Now, unfortunately or fortunately, with a north-northwest wind, the amount of water that the winds are able to pick up over Lake Erie is less because the winds have less of a distance to travel over the lake, and the air mass is going to be kind of dry. So I'm thinking that the amount of lake effect off Lake Erie won't be too extreme. Now, with a north-northwest flow, our entire forecast area is downwind of Lake Erie, so we could all see some snow showers on Tuesday. But the best chances for accumulations are going to be in the higher terrain from Mansfield up northeast towards the snow belt, with the best chances for anything significant being where any Lake Huron help can occur. How much snow may fall from the lake effect on top of the general snow of around an inch or so for everyone? I'm thinking maybe 1 to 3 inches in the higher terrain from Mansfield northeast into the snow belt. If any Lake Huron band can develop, some areas may see more, maybe up to or over half a foot. We're going to have to ask you to stay tuned on that over the next couple of days. So back to the rest of your 7-day now. As we head into Tuesday night and Wednesday, the lake effect winds down. Wednesday's still very cold, mid-30s for highs. Overnight lows in the low to mid-20s in the middle of this week. As we head towards Thursday into next week, and it looks like we see a dry stretch and slowly warm. Again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for logging on. Check us out again tomorrow.